Here I am, Saturday, July 14th, 2018. Let me adjust this a little here so I can see what's going on. I didn't check the day. I think today is 3 weeks since I captured my swarm here. And the first 11 days were spent in the box down here. And we had a little in and out with the trying to get them into a hive box, and then they didn't like the hive box. They swarmed out. I recaptured them twice. I was in here yesterday, so I pretty much know what's going on in here. But I want to go a little deeper, and I decided to do this early in the morning instead of later when it's warm in the afternoon when there's a lot of activity. And I got a couple hive beetles here on the inside of the lid. Wow, there's like 6. Wow, there's a whole bunch of them. That's not good. That's not good at all. I do not like to see the hive beetles. Alright, so we got a few hive beetles there. Alright, there's another one there. And there's one there. So that's not what I want to see. And of course these frames have nothing on them. We got a dead bee here that needs to be... Everybody's trying to get rid of that. You get some bees on here looking around, but they're not really doing anything on there. And of course this is a mess in here. I'm trying to transition them. Here, let's just pull these out of here. Lay those over there. And I'm trying to get them out of this. Probably go grab a clip. I'm really not even sure if there's a queen in here. Okay, they are building some comb in there. Doing pretty good there. And these are my top bar. They're just pieces of 2x4. They're the wrong size. They do have a little space between them. That might be a good thing. They seem to be really busy in there. There's another dead bee there. They're trying to clean up and get those out of there. Everybody seems pretty friendly, and now those seem stuck together either with propolis or comb. I don't necessarily want to tear the comb apart. Looks like there's been beetles inside my traps. There's a little fighting going on there. Or no, that's another dead bee. I think they're trying to trying to get rid of. I'm going to get rid of some of this stuff because that's a place where beetles could hide. They were swarming on this. That's the cutout from the lid there where I hole sawed the vent in there. I have 4 jewel cases in there. Let's just get a shot in here, I guess. Let's see if we can slide the camera out of the rubber bands. And of course, nobody else really watches these videos. This is kind of for my sake. Let me get a little more room over here. Go in and there's a big, oh, it looks like they're on that last frame over there a little. I don't know if they're doing any building on that. So what I got is 3 2x4. I got a few crushed bees on. I don't have quite enough head space at the top. They get a little squished in there when I put the lid on. I'm going to have to make sure that's got all the bees wiped off of there. I got to push that bar down a little bit because this was just an empty plywood box they were building on the roof. I put these crossbars in and threw some 2x4s, and I tried to attach the comb. I actually got all of it on there. I think one piece fell off. They chewed that up and spit it out and kicked it out of the front of the box. And then I got all this comb back on there, so they're building all of that again. And that's going to be their stores, but I want to get out of this plywood box and into a regular Langstroth hive box. So I want to see what's going on here. Let me, alright, I'll pull this last frame out over here. Let's see. Alright, that's going over. We got all these bees in the middle there. I don't want to squish them. This has got to go over some more. Whoa, and this, oh, they are doing a little, oh, they got a comb hanging off of there. Ooh, I crushed a little of that. Let me put that back. A little ladybug there. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. I never heard anything about ladybugs in beehive. Let me move these over a little more. Uh-oh, tearing a little comb apart there. I had 2 combs smashed between those 2x4s to hold it up in there, and I knew that was going to be a Alright, we're going to kind of slide all these over. I just hope that big comb doesn't fall out of there and they can get that anchored on a little better. Okay, we're going to get all these over here with a little more space. This thing is teetering all over the place. It is not on the blocks very well because I just kind of threw it down here. And I see a lot of pollen coming in there. Alright, so we got some more space in there between those. Man, if I could push. Now they got that sealed on there with propolis now. These 2x4s are a little warped. There's another dead bee. Wow, they got all those jewel cases glued down. Okay, that one's loose. I'm going to move this one over to the back corner a little. Try to get out of there, guys. Or ladies, girls. Because that way they'll be able to herd more of those beetles in there. Get some of the dead bees out here. Get out of here. Get. Stop it. Stop. Alright. Alright, maybe I see a few smashed bees in the edge from before. They used to cover the whole lid and it was... I don't see any more beetles running around too much. Alright, hey, you know what? Maybe some people say don't mess up the order at all. Some people say, oh, don't mess up the order too much. Some people, oh, just make a split, put one frame in here, throw one thing over there. So I'm not quite sure which way is. And bees do what they want to do. You gotta kind of... Alright, so they're working on that, and they're working on these. They're working on that a little bit, and then hopefully we can get that activity to spread out a little in here. And hopefully there's a queen in there, and I'm going to have some brood coming. Hopefully she's in there laying. There's a lot of activity in there, but I don't see the kind of... the first 11 days in here was incredible. Yeah, see, a bunch of these bees are smashed on the lid because I don't have enough space on top of these bars for the bees to get in there, which is kind of what I wanted because I didn't want them building on the lid anymore. There, get all the flies, get all the beetles off. And then get that dead bee off. Get out of here, guys. Alright, this is the front over here, so this is the back. We're going to get that on there. And then I'm going to brush everybody out of the way this time. Come on, get out of here. Get. Uh-oh, they didn't like that too much. No, you son of a bitch. Alright. Now I got a little sting on my gloves, but I got baking soda in there. Alright, well they didn't like the brush, so we got some smoke for them. I got a couple stings in my gloves, but that's, the stingers don't get into your, they stung me through. Alright, come on guys, you gotta get out of here. Alright, get down. Down. There, that got him. There. Alright. That time I didn't crush any and they didn't sting me. just going to set this back on top and we are done for the day.